Imagine a machine that doesn't just move you through space, but alters your very perception of the road. Welcome to the world of the Honda Sabre. This isn't just another cruiser. It's a masterclass in aggressive elegance and Honda's legendary engineering. And from the moment you lay eyes on its long, low-slung silhouette, you know you're looking at something different. The Sabre is a pro, street-style cruiser that bridges the gap between custom-built artistry and daily reliability. At the heart of this beast lies a 312cc liquid-cooled, 52-degree V-twin engine. It doesn't just run. It breathes with a deep, rhythmic pulse that you feel in your chest before you ever twist the throttle. This engine is designed for torque. It's built for those moments when the light turns green and you want to feel the immediate, seamless surge of power pulling you forward. With programmed fuel injection, the Sabre offers crisp, consistent throttle response, whether you're cruising through a humid summer afternoon or a crisp autumn morning. Take a closer look at the frame. Notice the open space around the cylinder heads and the way the long, slender fuel tank flows into the seat. This is the high-neck look that defines custom choppers. But Honda has perfected the geometry. The extended wheelbase isn't just for show. It provides a rock, solid stability that makes highway miles feel effortless. Yet despite its length, the Sabre handles with a surprising lightness. It tips into corners with a predictable grace. That gives the rider total confidence. The aesthetics are unapologetically bold. The massive 21-inch front wheel leads the way, cutting a thin, sharp profile against the pavement. In the rear, a fat 200 series tire provides the grip and the muscular stance that screams performance. Every inch of chrome is balanced by blackened-out components, creating a visual tension that looks fast even when it's parked. The integrated handlebar-mounted instruments keep the cockpit clean, allowing you to focus on the blur of the scenery rather than a cluttered dash. Comfort hasn't been sacrificed for style. The low seat height ensures that riders of all sizes can plant their feet firmly at a stop, while the forward-mounted pegs encourage a relaxed, commanding riding position. And because it's a Honda, you have the peace of mind that comes with a sophisticated shaft drive system. That means no messy chains, no frequent adjustments, just smooth, quiet power delivery mile after mile. The Honda Sabre is for the rider who wants to stand out without saying a word. It's for the person who appreciates the soul of a V-twin, but demands the precision of modern technology. It's a bike that commands respect on the boulevard and delivers pure joy on the open highway. It is sleek, it is powerful, and it is ready to redefine your journey.